The recent detention of the Fujian ship came new news, March the 18th. According to the Shanghai Maritime Safety Administration navigation warning arrangement route, Fujian ship again out of port to start the 7th sea trial. This sea trial is specifically for the carrier to go no longer low altitude through the field, touching the ship to fly again, will be directly arranged to catapult takeoff and block landing. As long as these two tests are successfully completed, Fujian ship will have the conditions for delivery to the Navy to use as the first domestically produced electromagnetic catapult large aircraft carrier. The comprehensive performance is second only to the United States Ford-class supercarriers, with the 7th sea trial subjects will soon be launched. From the equipment into the service is only one step short of the final step. Since May last year, Fujian ship with the fastest speed to complete 6 sea trials, each interval is almost within a month. Can be said that the carrier performance is very reliable all the way from the power system, electric power system test, to the navigation performance and supporting equipment adaptability, to the sea formation communication, as well as touching the ship ray flight, etc. Each sea trial has new progress. Due to the efficiency far beyond imagination, even netizens have begun to speculate if according to this speed uninterrupted carry-on, this year's Navy Day is likely to be delivered. However, the aircraft carrier is a systematic project, not to take for granted than the speed can be. After completing the 6th sea trial in January this year, the eyes of the deck appeared on the carrier tire tracks of the Fujian ship, not a break to go out, but was sent into the dock for in-depth maintenance, and then more than 2 full months before choosing to go out, during which time, may also be in the harbor for the weighted little red car catapult. The deep maintenance was mainly due to the fact that Fujian had been in the water for too long and needed to have its bottom cleaned up, as well as its hull maintained to be in the best shape for the new test and delivery. As for the ejection of the little red car, obviously for this sea trial ejection of carrier aircraft preparation, once again to verify the reliability of the electromagnetic catapult system. From the deck appeared tire traces analysis, J-15T catapulted type, J-35 stealth fighter, and Air Police 600 early warning aircraft, and other 5 types of fixed-wing carrier aircraft has entered the adaptation test stage. Among them, the Airborne Police 600 takeoff and landing test has a special strategic value, the maximum takeoff weight of the early warning aircraft up to 30 tons. Its low-speed takeoff and landing characteristics of the electromagnetic catapult system precision control capabilities put forward very high requirements. The ejection experience of the U.S. E-2D AWACS shows that propeller aircraft need finer acceleration curve control to avoid structural damage to the fuselage, which is a major test for Fujian's joint flight control and ejection control system. If this test is successful, it means that China has become the second country after the US to master the technology of novelization of heavy AWACS. Compared to the US, Ford, class of up to 7 years of testing cycle, Fujian ship's rapid progress seems to be risky, but in fact, built on a mature technology verification system. Its electromagnetic catapult system uses medium voltage direct current power supply technology, compared with the US-made system of alternating current architecture with higher energy utilization efficiency. This breakthrough makes it possible for conventional power carriers to carry electromagnetic catapult. The optimized design of the power system is equally critical. The QC-280 gas turbine configured in Fujian ship has been deeply improved, and the power of the single machine has been increased to 40 megawatts, which together with the intelligent power distribution system, can meet the peak power demand of up to 100 megawatts for the electromagnetic catapulting instantly. The synergistic effect of these technological innovation clusters is the technical backbone of the test cycle to be compressed. After the completion of the 6th sea test, Fujian ship did not rush, but returned to the shipyard for a 2-month in-depth maintenance. This relaxed testing rhythm reflects the scientific decision-making ability. During the dock maintenance period, the engineering team not only conducted a comprehensive inspection of the hull, but also utilized the dock ejection test device to conduct thousands of simulated ejections, which significantly reduces the risk of sea testing by combining the land-based, sea-based test mode. It is noteworthy that the deck coating remained intact after 6 sea tests, indicating that the anti-corrosion and anti-impact performance of the new deck material has passed the stringent verification. The training system for shipboard pilots is also a key variable in the generation of combat power. Chinese Navy through the land training base to build one, one electromagnetic catapult simulation system, has trained the first batch of electromagnetic catapult qualification of carrier pilots. However, there is an essential difference between the land simulation and the real sea conditions, and this sea trial will be the first time to test the pilot's ability to operate under the complex marine environment. In particular, the J-35 stealth fighter landing test, its aerodynamic shape and flight control characteristics, and the active J-15. There are significant differences. The need to develop a new landing guidance algorithm. The test experience of US F-35C shows that the aft turbulence effect during the landing process of the fifth-generation aircraft may cause attitude loss of control, which puts forward higher requirements for the landing guidance system of Fujian ship. From the strategic level, the service of Fujian ship will reconstruct the sea power pattern in the Western Pacific Ocean. The 60-plus carrier aircraft fleet, together with the escort formation of 055 Type 10,000-ton destroyers, can form a 1,500-kilometer radius of air and sea control capability. In particular, the combination of J-35 and Air Marshal 600 will for the first time give China's carrier formation penetrating air defense capability, which is of strategic value in breaking through the island chain blockade. However, the real combat force generation still needs to go through the system break-in period, referring to the 18-month cycle from the commissioning of Shandong ship to the formation of combat force. Fujian ship, due to its higher technical complexity, may need a break-in period of about 24 months to reach the full operational status. In the balance between testing progress and quality control, the Fujian ship team showed amazing engineering wisdom, choosing to conduct the most critical test before the Navy Day is not only the confidence in the ability to control the node, but also implies a strategic declaration. However, as a national weapon, the final service time of the aircraft carrier will still strictly follow the technical maturity and will not sacrifice the integrity of the test for a specific time node. From the technology development lineage, Fujian ship electromagnetic catapult system verification results will lay a key technical foundation for the subsequent development of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. This small steps, iterative development mode is to promote China's aircraft carrier project into a benign development track. When the warplanes on the deck really take off, it will not only be a technological breakthrough, but also the firm footsteps of an ocean power toward the deep blue.